In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the Gojo quest in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The strongest, also known as Gojo, is the strongest character in all of Heroes Battlegrounds. He is overpowered, and you will be able to play him on private servers or public servers. So for you to actually get him and use him on public servers, this is going to be dependent on your luck. All that you have to do is talk to the NPC that you can see on the wall here. So this is the location. You can see this sign with this black text on the wall, and if you go over to this NPC, you will be able to interact with him. Keep in mind that there is an incredibly small chance that you get Gojo. So if you interact with the NPC here, you will see a message. Click on I am, and as you can see, I didn't get lucky this time. So better luck in 24 hours. So now, I would have to wait 24 hours to see if I was able to get Gojo tomorrow. Come back tomorrow for another chance. So every day you have a chance of becoming Gojo. If you become Gojo by talking to this NPC, you will be able to use him on public servers. And because he is incredibly overpowered, you will have a lot of fun and you will be able to get a lot of kills. Now, if you are playing on a private server, all that you have to do instead is click on the characters and he is going to be available on the list. So you need to own the server and you need private server plus. So click on the characters, click on the strongest, and you will get this pop-up, private servers commands. If you purchase this private server commands, you will then be able to become the strongest as long as you are on a server that you own. And you will be able to use the entirety of his moveset. So you either have the option to get lucky and get him from talking to this NPC, so you can use him on public servers for 24 hours, you will become Gojo for a day, or you have to purchase Private Server Plus and use it here on your own private server that you are hosting. And you can do it every day. I hope I was able to help you on how to do the Gojo quest in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.